In this video, we're going to discuss another strategy for finding the limit of a function. So let's have number 1, limit of square root of x plus 1 minus 1 all over x as x approaches 0. So itry ulit natin yung direct substitution. So this is equal to square root of 0 plus 1 minus 1 all over 0. And this is equal to square root of 1 minus 1, that is 0 over 0, and this is indeterminate form. So ibig sabihin hindi pwede yung direct substitution. So ulitin natin, limit of square root of x plus 1 minus 1 all over x as x approaches 0. So anong gagawin natin dito? So hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung strategy na diniscuss natin last time, yung magfa-factor tayo tapos i-divide natin yung common factor ng numerator and denominator. Kasi obvious naman sa nakikita nyo, nakaradical pa yung sa part ng numerator. So ibang strategy ang gagawin natin dito. Ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung idea ng pagra-rationalize doon sa algebra. Kung sa pagra-rationalize natin, kung yung radical nasa denominator, nililipat natin sa numerator, ito namang radical sa numerator, ilalagay natin sa denominator. Okay? So, paano natin gagawin yon? Kung mapapansin nyo, binomial siya, square root minus 1. So, magmumultiply tayo ng square root plus 1 para matanggal yung square root dito sa numerator or yung radical sa numerator. So, copyin ulit natin to, and then square root of x plus 1 minus 1 over x. Mag-multiply tayo ng square root of x plus 1 plus 1 all over square root of x plus 1 plus 1. So, para ka lang nag-multiply ng 1 dito, no? So, dito, ang purpose kasi natin para matanggal tong radical sa numerator. Okay? So, difference tapos sum. Okay? So, dito, ang mangyayari, kung natatandaan nyo to, kapag a minus b times a plus b, anong lalabas dyan? A squared minus b squared. So, difference of 2 squares. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, i-square lang natin yung numerator, yung first term ng numerator. So, copyin lang natin to. Square natin to, matatanggal na, magiging x plus 1 na lang. Tapos, minus yung gitna, square nung second term. So, square ng 1, that is 1. Over x times ito. Square root of x plus 1 plus 1. Okay? So, dito, makakancel to, 1 minus 1, ang matitira x sa numerator, no? So, limit as x approaches 0 ng x over x times quantity x plus 1, square root of x plus 1 plus 1. So, makakancel to, 1 na lang matitira dito, no? So, limit as x approaches 0 ng 1 over square root of x plus 1 plus 1. So, dito, try natin i-substitute na yung 0. Okay? So, magiging 1 over square root of 0 plus 1 plus 1. And ang matitira, 1 over, what is square root of 0 plus 1? That is 1. Square root of 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So, ito na yung limit. 1/2. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay, so for number 2, let's have limit of x squared minus 16 all over 2 minus square root of x as x approaches 4. So, i-substitute ulit natin yung 4. We have 4 squared minus 16 over 2 minus square root of 4. This is 16 minus 16 over 2 minus 2, that is 0 over 0, indeterminate form. So, hindi ulit pwede yung direct substitution. So, gamitin natin yung strategy na ginawa natin kanina. Okay? So, limit as x approaches 4, x squared minus 16 over 2 minus square root of x. So, dito naman, iaakyat naman natin yung radical. So, magmumultiply tayo ng 2 plus square root of x para matanggal yung radical sa denominator. This is equal to limit as x approaches 4 ng x squared minus 16 over 2 minus square root of x times 2 plus square root of x over 2 plus square root of x. Okay? So, simplify natin. So ito, a minus b, a plus b lang din to. Magiging limit as x approaches 4 ng x squared minus 16, 2 plus square root of x over, square natin yung una, 4 minus, square natin, mawawala na yung radical. So i-factor natin to. So limit x plus 4, x minus 4, tapos 2 plus square root of x over, so eto gawin nating negative quantity x minus 4. So pwede nyo i-check, same lang yan ng 4 minus x. Okay? So dito kasi makakancel natin yung x minus 4. Ang matitira na lang ay yung x plus 4. By the way, meron na siyang negative kasi may negative sa denominator. Tapos 2 plus square root of x. So by the way, lagyan na lang natin negative 1. Okay? Then, i-substitute na natin, magiging negative 4 plus 4, tapos 2 plus square root of 4. So this is negative 8 times 4, negative 32. Okay? Okay, so for another case, kung paano isolve to, pwede natin gamitan to nung unang strategy na ginawa natin last video. Kung meron sa inyo nakapansin, so pwede nating i-factor na yung numerator kagad. Limit as x approaches 4. Ito magawin na kagad nating x plus 4, x minus 4 over 2 minus square root of x. Tapos ito, pwede pa rin natin gawing diba, kung matatandaan nyo, a minus b, a plus b, that is a squared minus b squared. So isipin nyo, yung a squared ay x, tapos minus yung b squared ay 4. Okay? So ibig sabihin, kapag i-factor natin yan, that will be square root of x minus square root ng 4, 2. Square root of x plus 2. Okay? So i-factor natin, limit as x approaches 4 ng x plus 4, square root of x minus 2, square root of x plus 2. So dito, pagbaliktarin lang natin, lagyan lang natin ng negative, then square root of x minus 2. So kung gusto nyo i-check, negative times square root of x, negative square root of x, negative times negative 2, positive 2. So makakancel na kagad natin, then magiging limit as x approaches 4, negative x plus 4, square root of x plus 2, then substitute natin. So negative 4 plus 4, 8, then 4, that is negative 32. Okay, so naging mas madali siya. So minsan titignan nyo rin kung pwede na siyang i-factor kaagad, or kung hindi kaya, saka natin gawin yung ganitong, yung strategy na dinidiscuss natin sa video na to. Okay? So ganun lang kasimple sa yung pagkuha ng limit.